All right, back here on Amy. We've got her console tray out already. Got a bunch of other stuff pulled. Day started because the cable's here. Sorry, I'm moving quickly because Lord knows we got 95 million things to do and zero time to do it. Gotta get Amy prepped and ready because Amy needs to go to the parade now this weekend. So we have that round of fun to deal with. So she's rushed now, but that's a good thing because she's an important car. Console's pulled back. 8-track's just kicking it. Moved it over. Just gotta plug this back in later because that's the ground that we had to engineer a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. And it goes with this. But we'll get to that in a minute. Anyways, I just gotta pull this clip. Then I can pull this clip here. Pull this. Undo these little screwsies. And then jack up the car. Get the cable out. Easy peasy. Alright. Cable's all undone here. The seal is all undone. The seal is actually different on the new one, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna, where'd I put the new one? I just had it, here it is. Pretty sure I'm gonna cut off this and then put the old one on here. But first order of business, I gotta get the car up, pull it from down here, pull the cable out, and then we will play match game. Alright, so got the cable undone down here. You can see, like in the last video where it broke, it basically came unswaged because it's about 1 million years old. I can see daylight up there. I just really need to get it out. I'm gonna try to push from the other side. Push it out down to here and grab it, and then we can go from there. Otherwise, everything's looking pretty decent down here. I mean, we're dry, clean. Needs to just go for a test drive when we're done. But we'll get that handled quick. I mean, we still have the issue with the starter, but Tom and I are gonna talk about that. I think we're gonna do what we did with GTO, which I know I'm behind in posting with GTO videos. I honestly have about 2 years worth that we are not up to date yet. So, but there's only so many hours in a day, and there's way more cars to work on than there is to edit video, unfortunately. So, get to it as I get to it. All right, old cable, new cable, looking good. Everything's actually looking the right length. This is the end from under the car, obviously. So that's this end. I know they're not completely perfectly sitting together, but you can eyeball that and just say that's it. We do need to pull this seal and put our other seal, which isn't a problem. But looks like we're gonna be victorious here. All right, seal's done and gone. I'm gonna feed this end. Now I'm gonna feed this end up. Get it all hooked up, put the seal on it, button it up. Then go back underneath and button up down there once the console and everything's back. Hauling ass, getting it done. All right, cable's routed. We've already went through the motions once. We're gonna do some adjustments up top and then be back. Amy on the move! Yay! Gonna drive it, make sure we don't have to pull the console out again. And then put all this back. So we're good. So far, so good. I mean, we only went to the corner, but hey, it's positive. Driving. She clicked off all 3 gears. It's pretty nice. All right. 8-tracks in, ashtrays back in. Let's hook up some wiring, change out a fuse, and do our console that I'm currently laying on. But yay, she's back. One little panel and a fuse. It's a victory, boys and girls. Absolute victory. Mission accomplishado. Or whatever you said. I don't know. On the last drive. Final little test drive. Whee! Oh, look at this guy. He's gonna blow that light. That was like a little leaky. Stopped it. Snugged it up a little more. Mission accomplishado. Gonna check the fluid, top it off, shut it down, check the oil. I know the coolant's full because I just did all that last week. Topped it off before we fired it. So we'll be happy. On the bing bang, look at that.